Hello students of class 10. Today we are in the part 2 or then the second part of the video of SAQ question answer. Today I will discuss the chapter from waste management. In atmosphere chapter I have given 50 question. I think all should write, and it is your compulsory that you have to write the question answer in your classwork copy. And in waste management chapter I will give 30 important SAQ question, and let's discuss. So first is eutrophication. Eutrophication is the process by which a body of water become enriched in dissolved nutrient that stimulates the amount of aquatic plant life, usually resulting in the depletion of the dissolved oxygen. Next, what are the differences, importance of reuse of waste? If we can reuse waste, what we can do? We can stop generating waste. We can stop generating waste. So in this way, in your language, you should write. I am just discussing. What is BOD? Biological oxygen demand. What is sorting of waste? Sorting of waste means separation of waste, segregation of waste. This part you have to write. Why atomic waste is harmful? Atomic waste is harmful because it generates harmful radioactive waste materials. Write down the necessity of reuse of waste material. Same thing, reuse of waste material. Why we should reuse the waste? Because we can stop making waste. In your own language you should write here. What is composting? Composting is an easy and natural degradation process of organic waste like kitchen waste and turn them into nutrition rich plant for the plants. It make the soil fertile and it add humus. What is solid waste? Already discussed in the revision video also. The waste that is solid in nature, for example bits of paper, eggshells, vegetable peels, etc. What do you mean by recycling of waste? Recycling of waste means using of the waste things so that we can reuse it again. Means if we can recycle paper, further we can use the old paper. How can the wastewater of industry be purified? Wastewater of the industries be purified. How? Because before discharging in the any water bodies like oceans or rivers, we can use filters, or you can use other chemicals so that the chlorinated compound, so that the poisonous things present can be reduced. What is biodegradable waste? Already you know. Two necessity of waste management. Eco-friendly waste. Eco-friendly waste means biodegradable waste that cannot harm, does not cause any pollution, that is good for the nature. Comparison between biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste. This also you know. What is landfill? Landfill is a process of dumping the waste in the low-lying areas. It is mainly practiced in the rural areas. Poisonous waste. Poisonous waste means that causes harm to the nature. Name to industrial pollutants: chlorinated compound, cyanide compound, etc. Next, what is pathological waste? Here you have to write about the medical waste, means biomedical waste, that part. What is recycling? This also you know. Manure pit also given. Pyrolysis also given in the PDF. Composting, I think composting given twice. What is scrubbing? Scrubbing is a process of removal of waste from gases. The gas filled with solid waste are passed through water. This makes the waste particles weightless, and in this way it is a process of removing waste from the gaseous it is a process of removing gaseous waste. What is leachate? Also given in the PDF. What is Gaap? Ganga Action Plan. The full form of Gaap is Ganga Action Plan. Write short note on Ganga Action Plan. It is a plan taken by the then Prime Minister Dr. Rajiv Gandhi. The main objective of Gaap is to integrated river basin management comprising various dynamic interaction between biotic and abiotic ecosystem. What is vermicomposting? Vermicomposting is the decomposition process of using various species of worms to create a mixture of composition of foods and vegetables waste. Vermicompost is the end product of breakdown of the organic matter by earthworm. Now define e-waste, also explained in the revision video. E-waste means the waste that is generated from electronic medium like unused computer, monitor, laptop, mouse. These are all e-waste. And last, what is the process of controlled of burning of waste? That is called the what is the process of controlled burning of waste? It is called the incineration. Incineration is a process of controlled burning of waste. So from this chapter, 30 SAQ question given, 2 videos, one for waste management, one from atmosphere, but one PDF. In one PDF we will get both the question. Students, you should write all the question answers from atmosphere and waste management in your classwork copy and submit in the school for copy checking. Study hard for your upcoming examination. Thank you, class.